Good morning, dear students. Welcome back. Hope you all are fine and safe at home. So students, in my previous session, I have completed lesson number 15, the adverbs. In that lesson, I taught the definition of adverb, what is an adverb, and I also taught what are the different kinds of adverbs. Okay, the 4 different kinds of adverbs: adverbs of manner, adverbs of place, adverbs of time, and adverbs of frequency. I gave you several examples, okay, to explain these 4 different kinds of adverbs, and I hope you all have understood that what is an adverb and what are the 4 different kinds of adverb and how to find out an adverb in a sentence and how to identify that what kind of adverb it is. Okay, so I hope, children, that you all have written down the definition of adverb in your classwork copy. Okay, complete all the exercises of lesson number 15 in your book. Okay, keep your work up to date, children. Very soon you will be asked to submit your classwork copies for correction. Okay, so let's proceed further, children. In my today's session, I'm going to start another topic, that is paragraph writing. You all know that in each semester, children, you get paragraph writing, okay, a letter writing and a story writing. So in this semester, in 3rd semester, you will be getting 2 paragraph writing, okay, and 1 letter writing. Okay, so the first paragraph writing is on the topic Mother Teresa, a famous personality, Mother Teresa. Okay, so I am going to read the paragraph once for you all, then I will make you understand, and then I will tell you how to write down this paragraph in your classwork copy. Okay, so who was Mother Teresa? I hope you all know that who was Mother Teresa. She was a great social worker of India. Okay. She was not born in India, but later on she got citizenship of India. So Mother Teresa was born on 26th of August 1910 in Yugoslavia. Her childhood name was Agnes. After completing her school, she became a nun and came to India. She became an Indian citizen in 1948. She was the angel of mercy and believed in love. She spent her life serving for the poor and needy. She had been given several awards for her work. She died at the age of 87 on 5th September 1997 in Kolkata. So this is the paragraph, okay, which you have to write it down in your classwork copy and start learning the paragraph. Now, see, children, Mother Teresa, you all know that she was the famous personality, okay. She was not an Indian, she was not born in India, but after completing her school, she came to India, she became nun, she came to India, and in 1948, she got the citizenship of India. Okay, she got Indian citizenship in 1948. And after then onwards, she started serving the poor and needy. Okay, she was a social worker. Okay, she was a great personality. She had got many awards, okay, for her social work. She spent her whole life serving for the poor and needy. Okay, and for that, for her social work, okay, she has established so many schools and hospitals, okay, and orphanages, okay, and she got so many awards. She has got several awards for her social work. So this is the paragraph which you need to write it down in your classwork copy and start learning the paragraph for your 3rd semester exam. I'll show you how to write down this paragraph in your classwork copy. So this is how you're going to write down this paragraph writing in your classwork copy. First, give the heading lesson number 22, paragraph writing, Mother Teresa. Underline it with blue pencil color. Then leave 2 lines and then start the paragraph. Mother Teresa was born on 26th August 1910 in Yugoslavia. Her childhood name was Agnes. After completing her school, she became a nun and came to India. She became an Indian citizen in 1948. She was the angel of mercy. She believed in love. She spent her whole life serving the poor and needy. She had been given several awards for her work. She died at the age of 87 on 5th September 1997 in Kolkata. So this is how you all are going to write down this paragraph in your classwork copy. Always remember, children, that whenever you start a sentence, it should be in capital letter. See, Mother Teresa is a proper noun, okay? So mother, M of mother and T of Teresa should be in capital letter, okay? Then when you write down the date along with the month and year, there should be comma after name of the month, okay? And name of month should start with capital letter. Okay, Yugoslavia is a name of a place, so it should be written in capital letter. After completion of this sentence, you will put full stop here. Okay, now again, Agnes is name. Okay, it's a proper noun, so A should be in capital letter, and then again after that you have to put full stop. Whenever you start a new sentence after full stop, it should be in capital letter. Okay, then again Indian citizen, so Indian I will be in capital letter. Okay, then she was the angel of mercy, she believed in love. Okay, always remember, children, that you have to put full stop. Okay, see where you have to put full stop. Okay, at the end of the sentence. Okay, and when you are starting the next sentence, it should start with capital letter. Okay, so keep this thing in your mind, children. Okay, while correcting your answer sheets, I have seen that most of you have not put full stop, comma, okay, not writing proper noun in capital letter, starting the sentence with small letter. So for all these, you are going to lose your marks. Okay, now here also, you have to write down 5th September. Okay, this THRDST, okay, this should be in the line, not here. Okay, you have to write in front of the number 5th. Okay, name of month should be in capital letter. Then whenever you are writing date in this way, along with date, if you are writing the month as well as the year, you have to put comma after name of the month. Okay, and this again, Kolkata should be in capital K. K of Kolkata should be capital. At the end you have to put full stop, draw a line with blue pencil color at the end. Okay, now in paragraph writing, nowhere you have to change the paragraph. Okay, so this is how you are going to write down the paragraph in your classwork copy. A very short paragraph I have given you. Okay, so please write it down, okay, in your classwork copy and start learning the paragraph for your third semester exam. So I hope, children, you all have understood how to write down this paragraph in your classwork copy. So please complete your work, children, and start learning the paragraph for your third semester exam. So that's all for today. Thank you and have a good day.